Hi YouTube, welcome to another episode of Security is an Illusion. Today I will be showing you how to DNS spoof a network. This video is for educational purposes only and I take no responsibility for your actions. Please be smart when you do this. You require the following, so let's start. First we need to change our IP address to the IP address that we want to redirect DNS records to. So what this is doing, as you will see later, pretty much any specified root domains or specified URL extensions will be directed to our IP address specified. So for example, if you wanted to change your IP address, you'd use an ifconfig and then specify your interface, your IP address, and for your net mask you would put your mask address or your subnet. So we want to start our Apache 2 status, or sorry, Apache 2 service. So if we look at status, you will see Apache is currently running. If this wasn't the case, you'd use the command service Apache 2 start. So next we need to move our index.php page to var www, which is what the user will be directed to. So if I look at my index.html, this is what all users on my network will be seeing after directed. If you look at my index2, well, it's pretty much just another example of what a web page can look like, but I'm just going to keep it simple at the moment. So as you can see, at the moment I can see Google, I can see Facebook, and this will be the web page that everyone on my network will be forwarded to. So our next task is to locate the file editor.dns. And as you can see, it will be in the path user local share etacap and then the file edit.dns. So if we look at that file, and you will see that the extensions .com, .gov, .net, .edu, .co, .jp, and .uk are there. I've specified the DNS record type, which they are A records, or we want to change the A records, and then the IP address of where the user will be forwarded if they attempt to browse any of those domains. So now we need to activate etacap. So with etacap you need to specify an attack method, targets. It is formally and primarily used for mainly man-in-the-middle attacks. So if I do eticat with a -tq extension, a -i extension, and then our interface, and then a -p, which pretty much if we have any add-ons, you can specify the target IP addresses, but because I want to find all targets, I just used /. So to print our list of hosts that this will capture, you just use the L. As you can see, we have the IP addresses 192.168.0.1 and 0.2. At the moment, it has not captured our IP address. I will attempt this again, but I'm pretty sure it will not display the IP address of the machine that this is being completed on. So if I do an fping and attempt to locate all IP addresses on our network to find if our machine is up or not. So pretty much -A is show live hosts, and -G you are using to specify a range. I will be doing a video on different network scans later on. And as you can see, it found IP addresses 1, 2, 12, and 4. So if we attempt to do an eticat again, and this time we will specify our IPs since we've done a network sweep and found that these two hosts were alive. Now, as you can see, once again, it did not identify the machine we are on, but that's okay, it will still work. So now if we go to our internet browser and try to find Google again, we're redirected to our Hello YouTube page. We try to go to Facebook. Once again, Hello YouTube. And notice that I did not specify a -org extension. So if we do a search for a .org related URL web page, you will see that this does still go through. So we are still connected to our net. And just to show you again, with our kwrite, you will see that .org is not in our list, and that's why we were able to search it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video, and just please leave a comment.